Good evening, everyone. Today I will tell my SME interview questions for data integration full stack domain. So this is my schedule. First, I will talk about when you will have to give SME. Then I will tell about the duration of your SME. After that, I will talk about topics covered during your SME and the tips to clear your SME. And then I will tell how your SME will be conducted. And at last, I will tell the questions asked during SME. So when you will have to give your SME, it generally depends upon your coach. When all your chapters in internship is over and project evaluation is done, then your coach will apply in Cognizant for any SME teacher. And as soon as he gets the SME teacher, then he will mail you for the SME. But in some rare cases, SME may happen before your project evaluation, but you will not have to worry about it because your coach will inform about 1 week before your SME is done. And your SME generally happens between 20 to 40 minutes. It totally depends upon your SME teacher. He may take your SME for 20 minutes, or he may take for 30 minutes, or he may take it for 40 minutes. During SME, we will cover all the topics, and you may get repeated questions which is asked to your code friends. So take in so before giving SME, please ask your friends about the questions asked to them. How SME will be conducted? You will have to join Microsoft Teams meeting with your camera on, and the SME teacher will start the recording. So be prepared in your formal dress as your recording will be done. So this is the list of questions which was asked to me during my SME interview. First, he will ask you to introduce yourself and make sure that you don't mention anything about which you can't explain in the self intro. How was your experience in Cognizant internship? Then he will ask about your strength, weaknesses, and then he will ask about your hobbies. And these are the questions according to the topic wise. In ab initio, what is ab initio? Architecture of ab initio, EME, cooperating system. In data stage, it is routine, types of routine, server and parallel. What are server and parallel routines? What is data stage jobs? In talent, what is talent open studio? Difference between tmap and versus tjoin. Difference between tjava and tjava T file list. In IICS, tell the full form of IICS. What is synchronization task? What is replication task? What is mapping task? And types of join. In big data, they will ask you what is big data, what is Hadoop, what is SDFS, what is MapReduce, what is Hive, 5 V's of big data, and what is PIG. In Informatica, tell different types of transformations in Informatica, sequence generator ports, surrogate keys. In data warehousing, you have data mart, data warehouse, what is facts and dimension, types of dimension, explain database architecture, difference between OLTP and OLAP, what is normalization and why do we need it, difference between rank and dense rank. And in Unix command, we will have to tell about these Unix commands. That is AWK, grep, touch, head, tail. In Python, we will have to tell what is slice, split, random number, how you can reverse a number, list comprehension, remove, how you can remove a file in Python, tell a Python program to generate random number, What is init in Python? Tell a program to convert a string to lowercase in Python. And if he asks to explain any code and if you can't explain it properly, then he may ask you to type your code in the chat. In cloud, they will ask you what is cloud, what is S3, what is EC2, what is AWS, what is Redshift, what is IaaS, and what is PaaS. In Java, what is encapsulation and inheritance, what is polymorphism, what is Java final keyword, and then XML and XQuery. So these were the questions asked to me during my SME interview. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any doubt, then please type in the chat, and please subscribe this video if you find it helpful for you. And please don't forget to check video description for other set of questions. Thank you.